Okay. Mic arc done. Okay, that worked. Um. Okay, so this will be a bit of thinking, and first just check to make sure everything's up and running. This will likely be a short tip. I should get it done in the time, but just in case. So there's a slight chance of a mic hot wall. So yeah, but I am only focusing on this one part. If I get it done early, I would like to just stop this thing. Um, I don't want to develop more stuff. I just want to see if I can figure this out. So yeah. Where am I? Yes, making customizable characters. So, making the character itself customizable, like the song over that, or how to do that, isn't looking too bad. All I have is face, headgear, and a vest. Now, face and headgear is going to do the same thing. I'm not going to distinguish between the two. However, vest will be so. Sorry, I'll explain it like this. I have two arrays, one for head and face, one for vest. So that way you can have two different head. Or originally, I'd really call that face 2. I think that's much more appropriate. And if I go into tracker, the auto load, we can see that head 1, head 2, vest. I'd call it face. But yeah, that's fine. Now, what I'm going to do first is create a script for this. That way, if I want this actually it works fine. Actually, the reason for having a script attached to this and not the player will be to do with when I customize it, make the customizing menu. We can just copy the script then. If we have the same architect. Well, oh no, I can't copy it actually, no, because there's a wee bit we want. I forgot. But those, entities, actions, levels, other road entities, overall platform, other, now for this one, you should not be able to change your character during level. Or at least not in the moment. There's any way I can think of that happening. If it can happen, then we can fix that. Um, but having it on ready, then. Right. So how about this? We have face architecture. Oh wait, if I'm doing it this way. Oh wait, I have the thing here. What am I doing? Oh then these things here mean nothing. Yeah, no, that doesn't work. Oh. Face dot texture equals head, and we'll put in the number as tracker dot face 1. Oh, head 1. No, face 1. Oh, it needs to be a capital D. And faces are 2 texture equals head and then rest dot texture equals rest tracker dot rest. And now this we'll just try it with level, because like this did work fine. Be great better if it was in the ready function only if you want, but I can't figure it out. But we'll see if this works out. So the question is, do I actually have tracker as equaling anything? Oh wait, no, that's 0 and 0. I think made of 0. Yeah, we'll walk logic into it in a second. Just go with that noise. But yeah, cause tracker, or tracker face rest, whatever. Tile map, void, wall, what do we want? Play appearance. Now, what I could do is, but I could do something else, but I'll do it, like create an invisible one. If, face 1. Right, I need to just think real quick. We want to save position thing. So if modulus, wait, tracker point save modulus of head dot size minus -1 L if tracker dot f1 does not equal 0, else phase, right, now else I don't know if this will cause an error. I don't know how null exactly works here. I need to do it for the same one as well. I'm just gonna turn it off for a second. Some like weird. Oh, there. Tracker dot face 2 modulus of head dot size +1 -1. I didn't mean to open that up, I don't know why. Yes, okay, so there's none showing up there. That's good. So that way, and let's say now we have to actually do the real test. 3D glasses is the first one. Out is 2. So if we have it 1 and 2, it's either give us 3D glasses and that or that. I think I had it in alphabetical order, or tried to have it that way. No? Hold on. Surely. Wait, bullseye? What? Hold on. Okay, bullseye is 3, I think, and our touch is 2. So we kind of messed. I kind of messed up there. Right, that's fine. I'm pretty sure that gets the modulus. I think that's the modulus sign. So it gets the modulus of what the head size is plus 1. Oh, wait, I messed up. Yes, okay, that's better. That's what we want. Yeah, so that was just a dumb mistake there. That's fine. So yeah, with anything I can have all, like, just the 2 variables. Oh, well, no, I'm not sure if I can have variables that need to be called after on the thing. I'm unsure, actually. We'll just pass this. Okay, so it looks like that's fine. I'm gonna just play it real quick, just to check. Right. Okay, there's 3 people. Ugh. Okay, that's fine, that's fine. I don't plan on using Delta though, so I should actually. I'm really thinking now, like, I don't want a bunch of them, so I am actually working on it. So yeah, that would work on ready. In theory, should work fine. So what I'll do is, and I'll have it in comments for the time being, as at the moment I want it to be more flexible. Everything's up to scratch now. I'll just quickly. Oh no, I need to change the rest. And what I could. I don't know if you can have if you can have nested ternary statements. I don't think. Yeah. Okay. That was to be expected. I can have a simple variable. I can use a simple variable for that though. That's not a variable. check for that. I can also just use proper if else statement in the future if I want to fix that. Just as in case I wanted one where it's invisible. But actually, if I want it, actually no, that's fine. That's actually fine because I'm realizing something now that I say that. But yeah. At the moment, doing bucket is just fucking this. Tracker.rest. Okay, so tracker.rest. Modulus of head. Oh no, rest. Dot. This is just a control. Make sure that nothing breaks. It should never occur to where this is needed. I don't think. You know, that's fine because like if target does not equal. Yeah. Yeah, so the null is actually very useful in this scenario. That way you can have just a plane of it. So we have a plane here. I forgot you could do that. It's fine though, just it's not that serious, so no need to fix it. Or even try to figure out how I would fix it, but well. What one do we want? We'll try 4. I don't know how many there are. It's 4, just like bad luck. Yeah, see, it changes, but it does not change during it. And I'm pretty sure I have the debug synchronized script changes. Yes. Right, that's fine. Like we checked that. I need to see what's wrong with this code. Appearance. If tracker does not equal 0. It's on delta, so it should run every frame, else null. If tracker.rest. That's just some good practice code or whatever. But there's nothing here that dictates that it shouldn't update. I'll do something. Because it could just be with the debug, we don't know. If input dot is just pressed up. Oh. Then what do I want? I want to do something. Tracker.rest plus equal 1. Simple as that. Okay, yeah, this one definitely isn't in order, but it works. Why is it stuck? Do I have two X-rays? First place, referee, West. Should suspend the X-ray. Jeez. I'll fix that. Okay, so it's seeming fine. Fine. Alright, I better just check something first. Okay, no. No. Just fine, then I have no excuse now. Just focus on this and get it done. So, right, the customization part works here. It's just the fact that it's iffy. So now we need the logic here. Right. We'll go back to the player. And it's genuinely just a 2D scene. I think I want it controlled though. So actually I should count it as a user interface, I realize. That's just still beyond the player, right? I didn't delete it from the player. If I play this, how much does it, what's it called? Customize player. Script, sprites, scenes, audio, script, scenes, interface. Oh, jeez. Alright, that's the size. I'm gonna have a background of whatever, but at the moment we changed scene type to right today. Just there's no need for it to be animated because I don't plan on animating. And we do player. Now, and the idea that like we'd have multiple different of that character, which plausible. I would just do the same thing, do the same logic, but include it into it. Players. Oh, it's object. Can't believe the objects read over only. And so we have a match statement decided whether head 1, head 2, or head 3. Right. Okay, it doesn't. Might be lagging a wee bit. Is this? Yeah, it is quite high. I don't know if I could be streaming for long. I might not. I'll try to get a bit of this bit done, but I might not stream too long. Rest. Animated. No, how does that just click as its own? Yes, that's fine. Very distinct. I need to think though for a bit. If I want head 1 and head 2 to be customized on the same plane, how do I make that look that way? How do I make it look that way? Or how do I make it look? Right. Took me a second, but animated fight versus phase 2. We don't want it to be the case that hours exist. It's called left selected. We'll start them as unselected. I'll fix the hours better in a second. Alright, so left unselected one is Y224. So right unselected one to be Y224. Left unselected 2 is 320, so right unselected 2 to be left unselected 3 is 128, so this to be 128. No, and that's 384, 384, 384. This is 800, 800, 800. So that's fine. That's what the UI will probably end up looking like. Yeah, just that at the moment, and I think that should portray it reasonably well. I think that's decent enough for the moment. That's all we really want to show in a way. We do a match statement, I guess. Well, okay, I'll just get this bit done and done. Just get the setup for this. Can't actually right now do all this. And so I'll just be implementing it to make sure it works in the game. Have the logic to be quite simple though, so it should hopefully be fine. You know, so I might try to call this right one, left one, and this face one. Just to be consistent. Now we get to the scripting part. I only really need the script on the the sprite player. I'll just call it. And the reason I want it on that is if I want to make one where it's invisible, the character is invisible. Okay, so I need to. We'll have ways of making it visible or not visible first. But that's to be quite simple to do. However, I should not work on it immediately. Well, yeah, sure, I can try to implement something. The thing is, I need to try to think on ways it won't affect the game. Customizing character. scripts, entities, autoload, other. We don't have one for. Whatever. So. If not visible, then alright. No, first I need to. What do I need to do? Make the thing. I'll copy it from the other one. Level 5 boss. The player. I mean, var head and var rest, and then we create 3 things all on ready. Oh well, I guess var right 1. It's just so opposite me. Oh, what am I doing? I should do this in the player. Yeah, I'm realizing now. Days. I'll just copy this, change the extended to a control, and we should be good. Sprite, scripts, others, customize. Huh? We'll fix that in a second. Like, where's the art sign? At on ready val right to equals right to. We will so that should be fine. That way I don't have to bother something like that. If invisible, then oh yeah, we need 3. No, we don't need it to be on ready. Val phase 1, phase 2, val phase 2. That way it just always has an initial value, there's no null, and so we can use comparativeness for it. face 1 equals, oh wait, I want to do keyboard, I did whatever. Face 1 equals tracker dot face 1. Face 2 equals else, and this is where the interesting part is. Obviously all this will be in itself own and like I need a loop. There will eventually be a loop for it on. So left or right part depend on map. Val is valid. Is valid equals false, so it will start off not being valid. This will be useful for whatever, but yeah, wait, I just wait, why don't I have no. There we are. Am I still actually streaming? Yes. Okay, I don't know why I closed that, but it'd be useful to not have that closed. Else, so if it is, then, and we should also, now that I'm thinking about it, have 3 more on ready. So there that way we can just use, we don't need to do some complicated stuff. Obviously, if this is invisible, then other bodies and stuff should be invisible. Yeah. So we're going off that notion. Else, first we need the section that we have, the same logic we have actually for the player here. We specifically do not want to change this regardless. Or we don't want to change the logic in it of itself. Don't know why I couldn't read that for a second. But head 1, head 2, body. Oh, dumb me. And so we have equals head, and we don't really care about target up face. We just want face. And left. And here's where the stuff get into play. Choice. What's it called? Choice. Plus 3 minus. Choice equals choice plus 3 minus. I'm not gonna use the one I have for menu. Select equals select. Yeah, just divide by 3 then. I thought that was the participant thing there. Yeah, okay, yes, I do need just here. Because if it's not just, then it will always have holding it down every frame will happen. Which we don't want. I also save this as underscore delta as I don't plan on using delta at the moment. It's acting just pressed down. And the reason I don't have plus equal is well, yeah, the reason I don't have plus equal is because you can't increment it when you're trying to get the module. So all it would do is always add one, even though you have the module signed there. It have a failsafe and the player thing, whatever, so it would technically be fine. However, it could cause problems. A big problem being this that'll come up now in a second. If input is acting first, right. Then we need a match here. Choice. One dot pass. That should be fine at the moment. It's just because I can't. Okay, so what do we need to think? There's. Okay, there is something I need done below this bit to indicate which one you're on, which I would like to ideally work on first. So I'll actually do that first. Shocker. If choice equals 0. Well, do you think I would be able... there is a reason I'm not using a match statement for this. Shockingly, I know. Left one dot isn't good. No, left one dot text. Oh, I forgot about that one. Can I? Does this work? Yeah, it doesn't work because I want something to it equal. Makes sense. Now icons. We have right and left. Preload. Right side. It'd be cool if I can get this done just today. Because I'll probably end up making a tutorial or something like this if I can be bothered. Because it could be useful. But like then again, this is a very simple way of doing it. It's not like fuck, I messed up. It's not like a super sophisticated way, but I also hadn't really. I done a quick search. I didn't really see anything on YouTube. It's probably online another moment, but good up. Well, I better check first what I signed up for. What did I gone up for? I'm actually confused. Info? Yeah, it's info. Yeah, it's in the CST, so it's a V. No. And we have 5 now. Oh no, we have, well, basically 6, so it's fine. If we can get fun. So decent chance. Alright. To have it done by then, that's fine. Back to this. Right, so this I didn't back up anything here. Left on right on yes, okay, that works. Left one that texture equals icon. Selected first, is it? Yes. Right one dot texture to eels, and now I'll be fair. Partly why I'm doing this could be explained by the fact that I can just copy and paste a bunch. But I don't think doing it the other way is faster. I don't think. I don't actually know, to be fair though, so I could easily be wrong. And so what that should do in theory is, okay, obviously I don't have to. What? Oh my gosh! No, I'm not dumb. But I am dumb. I just called this for fuck's sake. Jeez. Non-face, we'll call it. Okay, I'll fix that. Equals no, west, and then non-face 1 divided by that. No, non-face 1. I'm just gonna skip this, hope this works. I'm not double checking everything at the moment. What? That's not. Wait, what? Okay, on the invalid index texture. What? Left one? Is this? That's texture? Oh, it's. No, it's texture. Wait, why is it complete? On the player, it's fine. I'm actually gonna open up. Oh, the menu. The menu will show me because I've done this on menu. Honestly, just a menu. Oh, I had everything on here. Tell texture equal icons tree. That's the same thing as this. So like, shouldn't be any problem whatsoever. I don't. There probably should be. I'm just being dumb here. Oh, they're not found. Oh, that's good then. That's good then. Like the logic's right. I mean, likely. Oh, could possibly still be right. Which means I don't want to. Okay, so I messed up slightly. And this would be f choice equals 2. So if you go up, this is me tapping up. Down. Oh wait. I didn't mean to do that. Left and right does none at the moment, but that's what we want to be happening. We want to happen. Right. So everything is unhinged of it being visible or not, so I don't need to worry on that end. If we have just a control for it being whether or not it's visible, then that will sort everything else out. I obviously I will need to this bit will be a wee bit tedious, as I'll kind of need to check every scenario, give it different. Well, I could use a tracker, a list of boolean for both of them. The booleans to be still able to think me. It should be the case that it's dynamic. But yeah. Right, so if choice is 1, choice is 2, and 3. We'll do this. We'll just do the right. Well, I mean, left won't be much different, so who am I getting? Right, no. At the moment, I just have it like that because I want it like that. I really didn't do it for the other one. Choice 1. Wait, I'm dim. Wait, hold on. Oh no, that's fine. Left 3 should be lower. 320, so that's to be 320. That should be 224. And it has to be 128, I think, roughly. For the right 3. Yes, 128. And so now this should be 320. This is just so it's easier for me on selected, but it doesn't really matter. But it'll help me a lot, so without no, it'll help me a lot with not having to think, so I'll do it. Which I think is what matters. Yeah. I won't do the is valid check for the moment. The is valid thing I have up here will just be something utilized to check if the player unlocked it or not. It'll take time for decide how I want to go on with that. I could have a function, like I don't know yet, so I'll leave that. I could have a function, but I also don't necessarily need to. I could just use a simple line of logic. And then if not, go up on check on it. I will probably have a loop in here. While loop. Shockingly. But yeah. Because I will have some accessories that will be available at the start. Just so I can have it that you want that's what I'm in. I'll do it in a second. What do we want? Pass one. 0 should be face 1. Face 1 equals what's the logic here? Head dot size. Head size plus 1. I don't want to copy and paste. I want to just check this. I'm not convinced at the moment my brain's at the right place. Yes. Okay, that's literally it. You can see there's some dumb ones and there's some interesting ones. But yeah, that's what we want. Like I can't see any photos. Oh no, what's the last one? I think it's W cap is the last one. Yeah. So yeah, you can have two dumb ones. I mean, there's some that doesn't look great together. But I thought it to look fine. Like, And if you want to look, if you want to word something, if you want to make a character dumb, who am I to stop you? Why not? Oh wait, no, we like. Wait, no, we want the thing for this one. Then something dumb like that, even like something dumb like that. But that's actually huge. So who would have thought that? So that's all one. This is one. So it adds the rate at -1. That's just to avoid negative numbers. Because there is some weird stuff where sometimes you have to double click, sometimes it doesn't work properly if it's negative numbers. I don't fully understand why. I don't understand why it should be the case, but I noticed that before, and like it's clearly a proper thing to leave an AI view like that. Oh, sorry. I mean, I don't use AI, but yeah, totally legit. I would never. Definitely haven't done. Let's see if this works. There's some complications here with the non-face bar. Oh, yeah, that explains. Fuck, I'm a genius. There's still a problem here, and I'll check to make sure. Okay, so let me reiterate. Um, +1. This is all like all it's doing is minusing 1. This is +1. This is +1. We know this bit will work fine. Where's that? Yada yada. All the logic seems the same to me. Oh, they are all the same. They should be, and it doesn't appear like it to be wrong. However, I'll check with AI after if I notice any problems. Yes, because um. So the thing is, like, if I want, the reason you have to, like one is over the other, so like, you can have this if you want. But it's funny. There's a dev problem here. And I think it's to do with this setup here actually. I'll check this for a second. Yeah, I think we are skipping that one. Like, you can make it look bad if you want, it's fine. Like, you can have it that way, or you can have it that way, like, whatever. Some of the ones don't look as good, but like, again, if you want to have it that way, you have it that way. I don't care. But yeah, that's quite a nice screen. Obviously, I'm gonna adapt it so that you can actually get out of it. It's a reasonable way so you can get out of it. Yada yada. But this is just like, at the moment, this is fine. By all points of reference, it's fine. And so now we need an enter. So we kind of wanted the other way around. So just alright. I don't know if it doesn't even mean that, like, the line does absolutely not, because like there's no syntax reason to think that. It's just the fact that it does do not, and that doesn't. So then I want to check something out. So what I'm gonna do for at the moment is I definitely have something in tracker for this. We'll do end level. Obviously this would never happen in game. Like, I wouldn't let you know that you doing it would basically got it beating the level. Right. It actually doesn't move. That's cool. But what we do need is what was the one we used here? Non. There was something we fixed. Non-face one. So we took that. I don't see anything wrong with it now. Oh, tracker.rest we have. And yeah, right. So it's tracker.rest to be a thingy, right? Rest is fine. Invalid operand. Operator. Track it up. I had a mistake earlier. I fixed it. I can't remember the way to fix it now. That's great. But no. Oh well. First of all, this should be face. Wait, no. This I'm still on the other. I should not change my rest. What do you think? What is track it up with? No, it's not. Yeah, so rest is an array, but is tracker.rest on array? It should not be. Um. Oh, wait, but rest is an array. No, but that's fine. Oh, wait, if tracker.rest. Wait, no. What? Okay, what is rest? Um. Rest is. It shouldn't be an array. Why would I have an array? No, rest is not an array. I'm asking. I fixed it earlier. I know I did. Whatever, but still. Rest of size is in a rest is a we understand that. It's +1, then it's -1. That just means like whatever. Talk it up well. The modulus of rest of size. Invalid operands away and in operator. So it's not a digit. They're the same thing as the other one though. That one makes no sense. That's the problem. Oh. Wait, what's rest? Wait, what? Rest equals track. What? No, that's a. Wait, what do I mean rest? It's been non-face one. I was genuinely trying to figure out so hard, but I think it's genuinely just this. Because there's simply any problem now. So you'll notice, yes, the iframes. I'm not putting it on the thing. It's a very simple way of being able to do that. I can't really be think it's about it though. If we go into Remoto, I wanna Look at this. Wait, no. What is vertical velocity for? I don't think I actually ever use it. So I think I can get rid of vertical velocity. However, I'll wait. How do I check? I wanted to check delta. Well, I can add effect. That's good. I'm not gonna mess with. I'm not gonna anything with that. FPS is 230. What's delta though? That's what I'm concerned about. Delta gotta be quite fast if it's frames per second is 130, which is fine. It's not like this is the game that needs fast. I should probably try to figure a way to get it. Oh, I'm sure it's fine. Cause I don't see any reason for it to be over 60. Well, any reason for why it need to be, as I should say. So now all I have to do is implement it. First thing first, I should put part of my character as part of. Oh, well, first of all, sorry, one thing. I should get rid of this line, right? I should then add logic here for checking that everything's allowed, but at the moment I'm going to say everything's allowed, and I'll do that another time. Because at the moment I want to be able to mess about with it, make sure stuff work as intended. If I use pause equal like 3, or talking about pause equals 3, that should be fine. That's what it does. And then have a button to press that does it. Instead of stats, we could but I don't want to do that now because I will figure out the change world thing. Probably do, or not the change world. What's that? Level stat. I'll probably figure it out once I finish the fourth world, which at the moment is going to take a while. It appears like it'll take a while. Sorry. Around much time now, but how do I want this to? No, this is just me brain rotting. How I want to implement it into my own game. I want a statement here. Visible equals bracket dot pause equals 3. Yeah, it's dumb that I can do this, but I'm going to put bracket. Not that it's necessary. It just can look confusing if this isn't the case. But then we'll have, like, we can use Q&E and the overworld for other stuff. So customize player, target upon. That means now we can likely fit it into the other player. We don't want to end that player quite yet. There's no reason to want to end that player, but and like we obviously create UI to distinguish that, you can edit character. However, again, I'm not concerned with it at the moment, but I am aware I need to do it. So I guess maybe I am. I need to think it over. That's cool. If I wanted like a back, that's cool. It's layout and transforming. Okay, well first we'll have a thing where if tracker is action just press target over equal not target. We'll do something that is 0. Yeah, and that's fine. We can have an alternating thing here where if input is action just pressed, we'll do action 2 I want to pick, and the reason for it will become clear. Well, it won't become clear. It's because I want to use E because it like edit character. That's literally it. Tracker dot pause. Zero equals 0 equals 3. If start is action. And this will also mean that if tracker is not 2, or if not 3 or 0, and so I have it on a different tab, then it's subject to its own stuff. And this will have no effect on the line, which I think could be huge. Oh, decent, sorry, decent. And with that, let's. I wanted to just word one. Now it's just word. Do I not have a word one scene? Come on, don't. Oh, I got scared that that word one got deleted. Whichever did that would. Oh, I don't want to. Wait, what does visibility equal? Wait, did I just. Right, let's go into the player again. It should be visible when thing equals 3. What am I doing wrong? So visible if not visible, then this occurs else, and if track it apart. Oh, well, yeah, I already showed us. Word 1, player, not player. We don't want actual player. We want word menu player. What's the issue here? If input is action pressed, action 2, which is to my knowledge still E. If target dot particle 0, target particle E. If target particle 0, target E. Target particle. Hopefully this works. I'll figure it out after. If it's not working right now, I will just try to figure it out after. Is it plausible that it is wrong? I just can't see it. I think that's plausible. It's because the okay, the problem is the camera. I feel like it's the only thing I can like. This is a very rudimentary one, very simple effect. I feel like, but I just need to think. I also don't see why. I was concerned there for a second when that didn't work because there was, but I forgot about that. I forgot like this is designed so that it doesn't work whenever you. Okay, I need to just. I actually need to check what action to use now. Action 2 is E. I am pressing E. If I go into a world, like E should work fine. So it's logic. Right. But what's wrong with it? I am genuinely stumped here. Fuck. let's think logically for a second. If target up, right, you know what? We'll have it like this for a second, just. Oh, I'm dumb. I understand the issue now. Oh my gosh. It was always undoing itself, and I didn't realize. Such a dumb mistake. Do I still have. Fuck. No, I have. I don't think I. Oh, right. I also need to now make sure that enter. I need to do this the right way. Um, because there's a simple way of doing it, but that way it won't necessarily work. I can fix the scriptness. Actually, I can fix the script right now. Equals not. Or. What we want it to, though it's invisible if tracker.readPod is true, or if tracker.pod equals 3. That way, what do you want step at a time? Like one problem. Hello, how's it going? No, the lock's still there. Oh, yeah, the lockstone thing. That's up here, isn't it? F tracker that will. Oh. Thank you. At the moment, I'm just finishing off this. Making the. Oh, well, I can just press E to undo it. But the problem with E is you don't save your part. So that's fine. Right, so what simple, got it. I think I got it. That actual banging, that noise actually clicked it. Go into world map player. I have the things here. Do I do not. Oh what, and tracker dot pause does not equal 3, but the well, no, this will be fine because this is apparent. So this is where before this is. So accept will be done up here before accept's done here for this folder. And then all I need to do is forward one, just because it makes sense. I forgot I had the left and right here. Left. I could have everything in one if not. Do I have a if pause statement? And target dot pause does not equal 3. How do I know the okay, well I started learning because of college, doing a course on game development. But honestly, start off small. If like you're trying to get in, just start off small. It's not that bad. How did I learn? Like literally, like it's just how like small. I can't really give a satisfactory answer because I can't really remember, even though it's less than a year. But if you have any questions on how to code or anything, like, oh, how do you figure out this or anything in related, I'd be happy to try and help. But yeah, no. Like learning the keywords, all that, what they do, that takes a bit of time. Um, learn them as you need it, and then logic. Like once you realize that the logic, you learn some parts of logic that work, but a lot of that is just eventually just thinking. Like as soon as you understand it good enough, or like, and it's like good enough isn't like that high of a bar. I want to say. Um, hey, it works. But yeah, as soon as you like learn that, you can just like think on your own. Like the first game I made, I originally made it on a Java file because that's what I'm learning in college. Like would have nothing to do with this at the moment. Like this is just all for fun, I guess. Like if I open this up, was just a simple game called. Actually, I can open up in the browser. I forgot. Cause very cool game. I don't care for the trailer. Sorry, me. All it was, which like decent game. Like, well, not well made. What's the game name? I was actually stuck in that for a while. That's something I'm quite bad at, but I eventually came to the name up there. Uh, Wadao, a dimension altering reality. You could also say Wadao. I don't really know how, like, however you want to pronounce it. I don't really care. Um, but yeah, because like obviously I'm not so. But yeah, this game here, all it is just adding numbers, adding, multiplying, subtracting, dividing to get to a specific number. Legit, all it is, and yeah, just all it is because all I needed to do was understand the very basics to make this game. Oh wait, no, wait. Then whenever I was making the game, like it did help introduce it though. So yes, that's. I'm actually probably gonna end it there. I think I got everything I wanted done. I'm just gonna double check first before ending it. Because that way you can finally have it. Have it customizable for any fight or something. I'll double check now though. Well, just use save file, which go up here. Okay, yeah, I'll need to reset that so it's automatically started 0. But and I'll probably will have this one X. Yeah, E. I should have a way to back out of that, but I'll fix it up in a minute. Yes. Okay. So that worked. Um. Well, like I thought, I didn't know it already worked. I'll finish this, and yeah, I think I'll call it a day. This was only meant to be a short thing, so I'm happy with what I got done. Small steps. But, oh. Yeah, I know that boss fight definitely looks confusing there without actually. Oh, at least the way I was playing that. I was holding down E, I think. No. Wait, was it just. I think I just pressed E like at the wrong time there. That's fine then. Nothing to worry about. Thanks anyone watching. Oh, my drop frame went down after a while. Let's go. But that will be me. Yeah.